Yeah, good evening, uh, good morning, and good afternoon, depending on the time zone. We want to have a quick recap and to see uh, what next on the trade. So this is DXY. We had said that this is the daily time frame. We had said that we are expecting that the price will react without breaking this top here. And so we are seeing an element of reaction first now, and what do we expect next? So this is seen as the first move, and this is an A, B, and we may have ended a C. So what do we expect? This push up is where you look for your opportunity to sell. We expect DXY to fall. And with this, of course, the price may still cap this or break slightly to the upside, but it's not a must. I believe this structure is completed. I believe this structure that we are seeing is completed, and so we don't have to break this top. So we don't want to see price break this top. This is a good price action that tells us we may be coming down the way it has, this engulfing move, even though it's still within correct, within what will still go up, but we can see that we have broken slightly the structure to the downside here. So we expect this to continue, or we may have a push up to break this top or not, but you are looking for your corrective format and a price action to sell. Anytime, anywhere here, if you get a price action, you should be looking for your sell. This may be pushing up to give you an opportunity to actually sell now. If you look at US dollar index on the daily too, US dollar index on the daily, so it's the same thing that we're going to get across board. On the US dollar index is yet to break this structure here. It's almost there. So, but we're going to look inward to see what to expect, and look at euro dollar. I believe it's the same. So it's the same. But when you see structure like this, price may still break the bottom one more or not. So what we are getting ready to go higher. If you get a three-wave correction to the downside, you pick your sell. Your buy. You pick your buy. Probably I should be expecting that at this confluence here, price may not take that. Maybe 06 250. Price may not take that before we see a push to the upside again. But we need to watch out. This is an opportunity for you to probably pick your buy order, knowing fully where the price may still break to the downside here without breaking this bottom. So let's go to the DXY and quickly see the DXY. So on the reaction probably had occurred around 85 or 88 now on DXY. That is where we had seen this reaction now at about 88. And we expect price to resume to fall. And the 4-hour time frame, the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the price is trying to push up now. I'd expect that this may have given us like a 5-way straight to the downside, like a 1, A, B, C of a 2, and a 3 and a 5 here. So if this is going to be an ABC correction, we're going to see without actually going to go beyond 85 here or 88 here. So, but if you be above 88, because there are still liquidity area above, so price may just come, and that means if price go above 80, 85, 88, it means that this structure is a fourth wave structure to the downside. But it doesn't look like a fourth wave structure anyway, but anything is possible. It may be a fourth wave structure, or it may be the first wave to the downside before we go down the more. So that's what I can see. And On the 1 hour time frame, what do we see? On the 1 hour time frame, we now see that to the downside, we had broken this structure now. This is the structure of correction. So we are correcting. So our correction to the upside, we shouldn't take this level to the upside. Price should find resistance around this area. This is an area of liquidity which we may grab. And let's see on the 15-minute time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, yeah, on the 15-minute time frame, this is what I'm talking about. So we are seeing this go up. It may probably still go up the more and grab liquidity in this zone. These are area of liquidity, this gap here above this level. So price may cap here or break slightly above around this area before we come down. And if they decide to push up, then means this is a fourth wave, and this one going up will be a fifth wave. It could be anything like an ABC. It's still dragging to the upside. So if you want to, this is the structure break to the downside here. And what we are saying is that maybe 85 to the upside. It's around this area. Price may still go up this area. Price had recovered about 50. We may still go up because these are area of liquidity based on the wave and the structure that is being cooked up. We expect that price may reach any of this area. From here, you should expect a price action to the downside. And I believe that here, US dollar index also is giving us the same. It's giving us the same. So it's giving us the same. So this also had pushed up. So it has pushed up. The reaction at about 85 here. So I believe this is correcting. So you should be expecting any moment. If you see a break of structure on the 15 minutes time frame or 5 minutes time frame to the downside, that means we are coming down again. So this is like around this area. We expect the price may just come here and begin to walk down. So be ready for it. And if you are trading euro dollar, which I expect everyone to trade, euro dollar, so we still expect that this has broken this structure now. So this may have done a 1 and a 2 here, a 3, a 4, and a 5. So these are broken beyond what I would say it's a fourth wave, really, for this particular move to the upside. So we are correcting down right now. And so this is 61.8, this is 78, so this is 85. I think we should bounce up any moment from now. Once we get to this area, we should be watching for the reaction to. These are area of liquidity, and we'll see how price, bounce to the upside from there. The daily time frame candle told us that we are ready to push up. But again, even if we don't push up, if we come down to break the top bottom once again, we are still going up. That's what we are saying. Now there's another one I want us to see before I end this. Times the daily time frame, price action is what we need to read the mood of the market. Nzdusd. Yeah, so we can see here that this is also the same thing. This had reacted at about 70 or about 85 or 75 or 78 to the upside. So we can see this reaction. And from the 4-hour time frame, of course, where is the 4-hour candle? Let's see. The daily price action is good enough. And the 4-hour candle here also within the consolidation. So we expect that within this cluster, we should be expecting that if this one will turn to the upside, it may break down again before going up. Anything is possible. And that is what we must be ready. Who says it cannot still break down? It can break down or not, but we must be watching for anything that is possible. This one from here had pushed, the correction here had pushed at one, I'm expecting 123. I'm expecting the price to push up from here if he wants to react at 5058830. That's what we are expecting this to react. And it's going to break this support now and come down to this area before it bounces off. So we should watch for all those around that area. I'm going to end soon. It's supposed to be a quick recap. And let's see gold. Let's see what gold is printing. Gold should be correcting. Yeah, gold is going up and it's still, let it correct. And I'm not quite ready to do anything on gold. And so with that, I've come to the end. So we look at it again during the weekend to see what else to do.